Hello students, in our last class we have started the chapter periodic table and we have seen the important laws that came to the uh, discovery of modern periodic table. Okay, now today we are going to study about this periodic table that we are talking about. Okay, this is a periodic table and it is called as a long form of periodic table. Okay, now in this we have to understand few important terms. Okay, so this the vertical columns which are there, they're called as groups. The vertical columns in the periodic table, they are called as groups, and there are 18 groups starting from 1 till 18. So there are 18 groups in the modern periodic table. And the horizontal rows, they are known as periods, and we have got 7 periods in the modern periodic table. So altogether in a periodic table we have got 18 groups and 7 periods. Okay, now we need to see the different groups. Okay, group 1, group 2, like this. Okay, so group 1, if you see the group 1 elements, we have got hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. They are called as group 1 elements, and they are also known as alkali metals. They are also called as alkali metals except the first element, which is a non-metal. Okay, so they are called as alkali metals. The reason is that they form strong alkalis or strong base. Similarly, group 2 are also called as alkaline earth metals: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Okay, all these are alkaline earth metals, and they're called alkaline earth metals because they form weaker alkalis, that means weak base. Okay, now from group 3 to group 12, they are called transition elements. They are called transition elements, and all these elements are metals. Now next, group 13, they are called as boron family because the first member of the element is boron. Similarly, group 14 is known as carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family. Now group 17, group 17 group 17, we call these groups as halogens group, and the elements are chlorine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Okay, so these are called as halogens. Halogen means sea salt former or salt producer. Okay, they are called as halogens, group 17. And the last group we have got group 18. They are known as inert gas or noble gases, or it is also called as zero group. The reason is that these elements starting from helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, they are inert gases. That means they don't react at all because they have got stable electronic configuration. Okay, so these are the important groups that we discuss. Next, group 1, group 2, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, they are called representative elements. They are considered as main group elements. Now we'll discuss about the periods. Okay, in our syllabus for class 10 we need to focus 3 periods: first, second and third period, the elements. Okay, now let us see. The first period is called the shortest period. The first period is called the shortest period. The reason is that we have got only 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. Period 2 and period 3, they are called as short period. Period 1, shortest period, and period 2 and 3, they are known as short period as they contains 8 elements, we can say. Similarly, group 4 and 5, they are called as long period, and group 6 and 7, they are called the longest period based on the number of elements present. Okay, fine. So this is the general idea about the periodic table.